Welcome back to another episode of Zachthefisherman.
I bought a hub bearing assembly. And there it is. First things first, you gotta loosen the lugs. All loosened. Now I want to take this cap off. Put that aside. Your 35 millimeter. Hopefully I can get this off. Okay, let's try and get this off again. It's the green bastard. Oh, my face, that hurt. I need a fucking breaker bar. My face kind of hurts. Step 2 has taken me 2 hours, but I got a breaker. Ow. Second time I've hit my face today. But I finally caved and got a breaker bar because I need one. Are you recording? Mm-hmm. Needed the breaker bar. I hope this is as easy as I think it's gonna be. It's not. Tire's going back on. Put some lugs on and then try and get that off with the tire on, with it on the ground. Because this is stupid. I want to hit the brakes. Moving the whole truck again. Why? Getting angry. Got it. I got it. Yeah, it's lifting. Haven't really got far. I've taken my tire off and that's about it. Finally. I should probably take this ABS cable. Ironically, I need my phone. Right there. What is that clipped onto? Just gonna fast forward here. Okay, throw our brakes up here. Router off. This is the part I'm trying to replace. 3, 2, 1. So what I'm doing, there's 3 bolts back here. There's that one, and that one. You gotta come off. I'm surprised how well this guard is actually held up. It's not like rusted through or anything. Oh dear. Why me, man? Oh, that's not so bad. I thought it was gonna be much worse. Got this. We got this time. Call it a gut feeling that this is gonna work. I gotta disconnect this wire. Go for this again. Turning the wheel more. Finally got it. It's out. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit more shiny. Yeet. Okay, I just finished it. Hey Macy, it's time to go fishing. You ready? Let's hopefully it doesn't make that noise. Here goes the test drive. I need Macy's head out of the way. Well, it's moving. That's a good sign. I'm not a mechanic. There's a bus. Don't get hit by the bus. It's a worse noise. What's that rubbing on? It's just rubbing. Something rubbing. I think I know what it was. It was just my plate. It was just the dust plate rubbing. Just bend it back a little bit. Listen to that. No more. Fix my truck. It's highway safe. I'm ready to go. We're gonna go fishing. I got a little overzealous. I still have to do an oil change. Maybe I'll shampoo the carpets a little. You know, make the truck look nice for its second maiden voyage fishing trip. You know, the rebirth of the green bastard. I love this truck. New introduction to this. Honestly, I just got bored and put all the clips from this winter. I have not caught a lot of big fish. Hopefully that's gonna change. Something for sure that's gonna change is my oil today. It'd be a shame if something were to happen to my muffler. No, I'm not 16 anymore. I like my fuel mileage. Whoop. I need gas again. You're on my gas fueling journey on this little whatever. 487 kilometers is not bad for a full tank of gas, I guess. It is a V8 after all. We're just going with regular this time. Here we go.
Subscribe now.
I should retorque my tires before I forget. This truck hasn't had an oil change in, since 2019. 3 years. Time to torque the tires. Good to go. No, I tend to forget how short this truck is compared to that beast. Oh, that's righty tighty. Oh, it's not great. Go pick up some kitty litter. It sucks that I only have one hand. Who the hell put Loctite on this thing? I'm stuck. Grippy glove. This grippy glove doesn't need to do this. I'm gonna need grippy socks. Okay, so this is not an advised method, but it does work when you have oil filter and you don't have anything to like take it off. You need a screwdriver and you're gonna want to get yourself a hammer. Like I said, this is not advised. Okay, so I lifted my truck a bit so I can get in there a little easier. Put your screwdriver in there. And you loosen it, just like that. You're gonna get oil all over me. Come on, baby. Oh, it's still warm. I should probably be wearing gloves. Don't be like me. Don't forget to lube up your seal. Just take some of the old oil. Keep tightening. Tighten that up. We're ready for oil now. Remember when you go to wash your hand, Dawn does more so it's not a chore. Basically just so cuts the grease and gets the oil off your hands a lot easier than hand soap. See, there's a duck on it because they use it on oil spilled ducks. This is the 5.3. You turn it to the right side so I can see how much is going in. Needs 5.7 liters of oil in it. There we go, 700 milliliters. This is gonna take a while. One last thing to do, leak test it. Here's nothing. Check underneath, make sure nothing's leaking. It's looking good. Oh yeah, and about that shampooing. Bang! It's basically brand new. Wow, carpets are basically brand new. Kidding. I'm going on a fishing trip. It's gonna get dirty. I might as well do it when I get back after my 3-day fishing trip. Take this garbage out. Look at all that garbage. It's gonna disappear in 3, 2, 1. Boom. It's clean and we're officially roadworthy of our first fishing trip in this truck. Ironically, I'm going to the exact same place I took this truck on the first trip. Well, thank you for coming along on this little repair build thing on this green bastard. See you guys on the next one. In the next one, I'll be fishing, targeting perch, perhaps. Or maybe not, who knows. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.